It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This is the brainy and brawny tool you need when your office is what you drive. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: automatic transmission, electronic shift on the fly, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, Bluetooth streaming audio, power tilt down heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rearview mirror, and LED low and high beam headlights. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
DePaula Chevrolet is your Albany Chevrolet dealership. We're conveniently located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany, New York.